The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Middle Bay Light, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gator Island, Farrell Pier, and Little Bay Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations.